Hey, oh my goodness, look. Look what I found. A little baby chick. Beep, 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 beep. I wonder what's inside. Let's open up the little baby chick and see if the little baby chick is yummy to eat. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at the baby chick. This baby chick was sent in the mail to Texas from New York. And it was very melted when it got here. As a matter of fact, I squished it a little bit. And then a wiser mind told me, perhaps you ought to put that in the refrigerator. Look how it turned out. It's pretty nice looking for an Easter chicken that got all the way from New York. Look, it's got a hole right back there where its butt is. Has a hole in its butt. It's a chicken. I'm going to eat the chicken's butt. And then I'm going to let Monica try the other half. Oh, that is good chocolate. I'm going to leave the chicken head for Monica. Chicken butt.